All right, so today, Laura's house, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful, beautiful. This is a masterpiece.
Today we're going to be tasting some cheese that has been made in a shipping container.
This morning we are going to uncover one of the best hidden gem of the Twizel area. It's called Ben Ohau Road Cheese, and we're gonna be meeting Matt, which is basically making cheese out of the container right out of the woods. The drive to get there is super short and goes over some of the best landscape of the Twizel area, including the beautiful glacial waters. This color is absolutely unbelievable, and it's because of the sediments which are washed out from all the glaciers surrounding Twizel. Then we turn onto a really gnarly gravel road that we are really not sure how we're gonna get back up on our way out of the cheese factory, but that's a problem for later when we're gonna be cheesed out.
The cheese room really is off the beaten track, and we have to make our way down this really cute little walkway with lots to see along the way. There's strawberries, lavender, pine cones that are bigger than your head before making our way to an outdoor seating area with amazing surroundings. We sit down with a couple who have finished their cheese board long ago, but they're just sat here chilling in such a beautiful environment. I really don't blame them. Then Matt, who is the cheesemaker here at Ben Ohau Road Cheese, brings out our cheese board selection, which is all entirely homemade by him and his wife. His wife makes all the condiments that go with the cheese, and he makes the cheese right here at his shipping container cheese factory. So we can't wait to tuck in.
There is heaps of awesome cheese to try, and Matt is a pretty funny guy, so he gives some really funny name to each of his cheese. So we are trying the Aorangi Tangy, which is a soft sour curd accompanied by spicy pear jelly. We're also trying the Waitaki Welsh, which is soft and crumbly with some rhubarb chutney. We're trying the O'Halloumi, which is his own take on the halloumi. And we're also trying Bob the blue cheese, because I'm pretty sure by this point Matt ran out of really funny and witty name to give his own cheese.
We're also getting a tour of the really intriguing shipping container cheese factory, where we can see all the vats and how the cheese is made. And what's really cool as well is it's all solar paneled, so that's sustainable cheese making for you. That's an awesome must-do in Twizel, but we're making our way back to our camper van now, where we have a challenge ahead of us, which is getting back up that steep gravel road. I hope our camper van can make it. Robin uses his skills from all the go-karting we've been doing lately to make his way up the hill at full speed, and yes, we have done it! When arriving down this steep hill, I really didn't think that this camper van would make it back up. But we are here, we're making our way back to the town of Twizel, where we run into a very classic New Zealand traffic jam.
A bunch of farmers have asked us to park on the side of the road because they have a massive flock of sheep to move from one field to the other. It's really not an uncommon thing to happen in New Zealand, and it did happen to us already during this trip, but that's the first time that we get the chance to film it for you guys. So here you are, this is what heavy traffic looks like in New Zealand.
And then our final cheese has a hilarious name. It is Bob the blue cheese. So yeah, why call your cheese anything else other than Bob? Bob the blue cheese goes particularly well with, what does it go with? Ah yeah, it goes with pear.